In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book American Airlines flights. We'll go from the very first search to entering your passenger details, with clear explanations and helpful tips along the way so you can book confidently. Start on the American Airlines homepage. In the From field, type the city or airport you're departing from. If your area has multiple airports, double-check you're choosing the one that's most convenient. As you type, you'll see suggestions. Select the correct option to avoid typos. If you're planning a one-way trip, you can switch the trip type before you start, but by default, it's typically round trip. Next, move to the To field and enter your destination. Again, watch for similar airport names and pick the exact city or airport you want. Small details here make a big difference later in the search results. Open the Depart Date picker and choose your outbound date. If your dates are flexible, glance across the calendar to see if nearby days offer better prices. You can also consider traveling midweek for potential savings. Select your return date if you're booking a round trip. Make sure the return aligns with your plans. And keep an eye on the length of your stay. It affects both cost and availability. Click the search button to load available flights. Once the results appear, take a moment to filter by preferences like nonstop flights, departure times, or number of connections. This helps you quickly narrow in on the best options. Browse the list and choose the price that fits your budget and needs. You'll often see different fare types, like basic economy and main cabin, at different prices. Basic economy can be cheaper, but may have restrictions, so hover over or expand the fare details to understand what's included before moving forward. When you've found your preferred option, click Select to lock it in. If you're booking a round trip, you may be prompted to pick both the outbound and the return before proceeding. On the trip summary page, click Continue. Review your itinerary details carefully here. Dates, airports, connection times, and the total price. Make sure everything matches your intentions. Now enter your passenger information exactly as it appears on your government-issued ID. Add date of birth, gender, and any frequent flyer, or known traveler numbers if you have them. Provide a reliable email and mobile contact so you receive updates about your flight. When all details look correct, click Continue. From here, the site will guide you to seat selection and payment to finalize your booking. And that's it. You've learned how to book American Airlines flights efficiently and with confidence.